Namaskar. Hi students, how are you today? Welcome to my science class. Are you ready to study? Today we will learning about weather is condition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layers of the air. Have you ever go to the beach at the noon? At about 10 a.m., the land is already warmer than the water. That showed that land get warm sooner than water. Have you ever go to the beach at 6 p.m.? Well, as you can feel, the water is still warm, and the water is warmer than the land. It showed that land gets cooled sooner than water. Okay, student, what can causes the change of the weather? First, land and sea breezes. Second, evaporation. Third, condensation. Fourth, water cycle. Do you know what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process of water change into water vapor. Do you know what is condensation? Condensation is the process of water vapor change into water. What do you know about water cycle? Please check this video.
Let's look at the science of rain and how raindrops form. First, we'll need the sun. When the sun shines on water on the Earth's surface, the heat of the sun warms the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called evaporation. Because gases are lighter than liquids, water vapor rises up into the sky. And the further you move up and away from the Earth's surface, the colder the temperature gets. So in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets. This change is called condensation and is the opposite of evaporation. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets, so when condensation occurs in the sky, clouds form and grow. Let's take a closer look. When water droplets bump into one another, they stick together and grow in size. They continue to grow until they are too heavy and fall as rain. They even grow as they bump into one another on their journey from the cloud to the ground. And every single raindrop that reaches the ground is made up of 1 million of the original tiny water droplets. Raindrops fall on the ground surface where the sun can shine on them, and the whole process happens again. This is called the water cycle and keeps water moving from the ground to the sky, providing the water needed for plants, animals and people to survive. So now you know.
Well, in the third grade, you already learned about seasons too. What's your favorite season? There are some type of seasons like summer, monsoon or rainy season, winter, autumn, and spring. I believe that you remember that season also give impact to animals and plants. Some animals may be only seen in certain season, like frog and earthworms can be seen on rainy season, and season also give impact to plants because some plants only grow in certain season. That kind of plant called seasonal plant. And I believe when you write something, you will remember it better. So I suggest you to write the summary of this chapter on your note. Please pause the video and write it. Well, student, I think that's all my explanation for today. Please don't forget to answer the exercise on this page. Yes, after you answer the exercise, please submit it through the Google form in the link below. Check it in the description. That's all. Thanks for joining my science class today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you can get notification when I post a new video. Bye. Namaskar.